Hello friends, welcome to the part number 33 of the topic welded connections, where today we are going to discuss something about what are reinforcement in groove weld. The extra weld metal provided above the surface of the member to make the throat dimensions at least 10% greater than the thickness of the welded material is known as reinforcement. So basically we could see that these are the two members joined by the groove weld. Let me show you by continuing this extra material, which are, or we would say the extra welding by using the groove weld done, is known as reinforcement. So this is the extra reinforcing groove weld what we did here. Now what is the purpose of providing this will be explained. The purpose of providing reinforcement is to ensure full cross-sectional area and to increase the efficiency of the joint. We are ensuring that our full cross-sectional area is achieved and the efficiency of joint is increased. The provision of reinforcement ensures that the depth through the weld is at least equal to the thickness of the plate. That is what I just explained you, that we are ensuring the cross-sectional area. However, reinforcement is not considered as a part of the effective throat thickness. See, it is only for our safety purpose. We are not considering it in the effective throat thickness design criteria, and is ignored in calculating the strength. It is also difficult for a welder to make the weld flush with the parent metal, so extra metal is deposited. Again, it is not possible for the welder to make the finishing near the groove welds, so some extra metal is deposited there. That is reinforcement. In any case, the reinforcement should not exceed 3 mm. Because exceeding reinforcement more than 3 mm would have problems like offset bolting. Reinforcement makes the groove weld stronger for a static load. But in case of repeated and vibrating load, stress concentration develops in the reinforcement, leading to early failure. See, if we are facing a static load, then the reinforcement are very safe. But in case of repeated, that is fatigue load and vibrating load due to earthquake or any other machineries, stress concentration develops in the reinforcement, leading to early failure. Reinforcement becomes the reason for failure. In such case, the weld surface is made flush, where flush surface is required. Here we are not using reinforcement. The welded surface is flush, that is finished. The groove weld is first reinforced and then dressed flush. So friends, this was all about the reinforcement in groove weld. This is all for today, and thank you for watching.